Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be doing a mini sketchbook tour. And this is sketchbook is handmade and the sticker is also handmade. I'll link the tutorial of the sticker in the description below. So let's start the sketchbook tour. So this is the first page of my sketchbook, and as you can see I wrote mini sketchbook on it and Art Valley, which is my channel name, on it, and some mountains and flowers. So this was started on May 7, 2022, and this sketchbook was finished on 3rd August 2022. It took me almost 3 months to finish this, and it doesn't have so much pages. So yeah, let's start. So I took a 7 days ink drawing challenge which was started on 9th May 2022. First it was 10 days challenge, but then I made it to 7 days ink drawing challenge, and it was the first drawing of 7 days ink drawing challenge. As you can see, it's not so good because of the shading and all, because I was drawing first time with the ink. The second time I love the eggshell, and yes, the detailing, you can see the improvement in just 3 days. You can see the shading and everything I do. This drawing took me less than 10 minutes to draw because it's so small and not so details in it. This was also amazing, and this is one of my favorites. You can see the details in this and the improvement, and this is the last one, and I just loved it because of its details and everything. Like, I just love this. And the ink drawing challenge ended. Then I made this drawing. I don't know why, I just made this. Then there are key drawing, and I wrote there's always a key on the corner. I don't know. Then I took a 6 days lip drawing challenge which was started on 7th June 2022. So it is the first, well, it was also 10 days challenge, but then I made it to 6. Then you can see the improvement in it too, and I just love all the drawings. You can see this is also good, and you can see the improvement that I made. Like, see how good it is. So it is also good. I just love this one of my favorites. And this was the last drawing of the lips drawing challenge. And yes, so lip drawing challenge also ended. Then I made this drawing as a quick sketch, but I don't like the hairs, but I love the glasses. It's good. Then I made this hair drawing. I don't know why, but it's not good. Then I just love drawing lips, so I made another one, and the sketchbook ended. So this is the sketchbook tour, and thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and don't forget to check the sticker tutorial. Bye bye.